Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Tuesday said the government is reforming the Meghalaya Public Service Commission (MPSC) and the entire recruitment process by creating more recruitment boards to allow quick process of recruitment to take place. Speaking to reporters, Sangma said the entire recruitment process by creating more boards, the government is allowing a quick process of recruitment to take place. Regarding the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages, Sangma said that the state government had already written a letter which was sent in November to the Centre for immediate inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India.
As you know, already we have passed a resolution. That's number one. After the resolution was passed, on multiple occasions I have written to Government of India to include both Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule. After the Khasi Author Society had met me last time, within the first week of November, I don't remember the exact date, I have already written a letter to the Home Ministry reminding them again, and this is after the meeting with the Khasi Author Society, and based on their suggestion, I had once again written in the first week of November.